of Bliss. Originally published on September 22nd, 2019, spoken word has been added in November 2021. Personal chef turned blogger, one of my favorite recipes is now yours. There are pictures all throughout. My former personal chef clients regularly requested the addition of these blissful bites to their weekly deliveries. They felt bites of bliss were paired perfectly with a cup of coffee or tea, served wonderfully as a simple breakfast on the go, a delicious snack between meals, nutritious fuel needed before or after a workout, and a guilt-free substitution for dessert. Step 1. If you desire to recreate my bites of bliss in the comfort of your space, you will need the following ingredients. Step 2, add measured ingredients into a bowl and mix. Step 3, press dough into the cups of a mini muffin pan and be sure to keep ingredients level with the top of the pan. Step 4, remove your bites of bliss from pan using a standard kitchen spoon. Step 5, place 1 bite of bliss in the palms of your clean hands and roll the dough into balls. If you followed my steps listed above, you will need to repeat this step to form all bites into 11 balls total. Unfortunately, too much of a good thing is not better. So keep in mind your serving size will be 2 bites of bliss per day. Functional elements. In a perfect world, what we consume should be fulfilling a positive intention. My recipe listed above takes this notion into account by incorporating functional foods. Would your stomach feel better if you paired your coffee or tea with 2 bites of bliss? Do you often skip breakfast, yet understand the importance of adequate fuel to support your morning routine? Are you hungry between meals and unsure of a healthy snack option? Do you feel depleted and defeated before or after a workout? Got a sweet tooth but hate the guilt associated with indulging in dessert? Need bliss? Eat my balls. May the kitchen be the art room where you create edible masterpieces that literally become you and those you choose to serve. Did this expression add value to your life? Simply donate to support in buying a symbolic cup of coffee. Hyperlink. Thank you for your support and generosity. Peace, love, and everlasting protection. Namaste. I'm Maggie Feckety, nutritionist, experienced registered yoga teacher, certified health coach, and board certified holistic health practitioner. If you'd like to learn more about my background and offerings, there are 2 additional hyperlinks for you here. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Bye for now.
For the full 8-minute expression, visit the Insight Room at theguestbungalow.com.